Today we are going to discuss about the Bajaj Pulsar RS200. So special thanks to Kale Motors who gave us permission to visit on their showroom. So over here we can see transparent windshield and adjustable mirrors. Then we can situate our number plate. Below that, here we can see eyebrows like ERLs which are looking totally good, and two projector based bulbs which gives good visibility at the night time. Over here carbon fiber work has been done by the company. Here we can see ABS branding. When we move to the side of this bike, we are having 300 of disc in this bike and with an ABS EBD. Over here stickers are given, and 17 inches of alloy wheel is given in this bike. MRF tires you can see here, tire size and profile. As we move right hand side of this bike, we are having 200cc engine in this bike, where there is level of DTSI, means twin spark engine this is, and 4 volt are based in this engine, and it produces 19 Nm of torque at the 900 rpm. Over here kick is absent. In this bike's brakes are very possessive and they give lot of friction on the ground. They also have the ABS that's make a positive point of this bike. As we move upward, we can see over here the branding of 200cc in this bike, and here many edges are given to make an aerodynamic look and sporty look for this bike, to throttle this bike and speed. Over here, as we move to the fuel tank capacity of this bike, this fuel tank capacity of this bike is 13 liters. Over here we get branding of Pulsar in 3D look. Over here E20 is written. What is meant by E20 then? E20 means 80% of petroleum and 20% of ethanol, which burns very smoothly in the engine and produce very less amount of carboxylic acid. As we move to the handlebar of this bike, here we get an adjustable handlebar according to the rider's choice. As we move front, as we can see over here the fully digital meter. Here we can see the RPM limits, and here we have the 12,000 RPM marking. Here we can see Newton indication, turn indicator, bulbs phases, and plus we can see batteries, fuel tank, and also engine. Over here we can see a Bajaj logo. Here we can see the fuel indication. Over here we can see time and kilometers, odometer, speedometer, plus we can see in this time we can see the gear shifter indicator, which plays a very important role for every rider. Over here on this button we can shift our trip 1, trip 2 also. So let's comes to our handlebar. Over here we can see the passerby light, upper dipper, turning indicators, horn, and here we can see our key button, self start button. This kind of key we get in Bajaj Pulsar RS200, as you can see on your screen. As we are going to the back side of this bike, over here the big stand is now absent. As you can see on the screen, that big stand plays a very important role. It helps to clean our bike. Here we can see a small exhaust made up of fiber, but the sound and throttle this bike makes is very awesome. As we have came to our back side, over here we can see our LED turn indicators, and here many crystals lights are used, and small LEDs are used in the black light, which is totally awesome. And over here we can situate our number plate. As we move below, we are having mudguard over here with the finish of carbon touch is given by the company, and over here we can see the monoshock suspension, oil, brakes. As we move downward, we can see over here the adjustable wheel. This is the very good feature for all the bikes. It must came for the all the segment, and this is again 17 inches alloy wheel where stickers are given, and 230 Nm of disc is given at the back side, and ABS plus EBD. And we can see here MRF tires are given by the company, and you can see the tire profile size. Actually the profile size is hidden in between the mudguard. To left hand side, here we can see our chain pocket, and over here we can see adjustable footrest. In this bike single tone gear system is given, where 1 is below and 5 are upward. As we move to the upside of this bike, here one rubber is given to protect, and over here we can see the seat qualities are better than much before. Mm. Over here the passenger can grab his hands and can be seated comfortably on this bike, because the tail of this bike is very up and the passenger cannot travel comfortably, so the company has given a grabbing holder. Ground clearance of this bike is 157 mm of ground clearance, which is totally awesome. We can travel this bike in any off-road ways. Width of this bike is 765 mm, which is totally big according to me. And the net weight of this bike is 166 kg. That means this bike is heavier too. When we sit on this bike, we have to lightly tilt our back at the front, and the bike is too smoothly. And as you can see that how the bike is looking, comment down in the section that may I purchase this bike or not.